Find the 10th term of the given harmonic progression 6/5, 4/3, and 3/2. Pag sinabing harmonic progression, ibig sabihin niyan, ito ay reciprocal ng arithmetic progression. So kung ito ay harmonic progression, kapag kinuha mo yung reciprocal nitong bawat term, yun ay magiging arithmetic progression na. So kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. Ang reciprocal ng 6/5 ay 5/6. Ang reciprocal ng 4/3 ay 3/4. At ang reciprocal naman ng 3/2 ay 2/3. So, ito na yung ating magiging arithmetic progression. Ito yung harmonic progression, then ito yung arithmetic progression. Then, ang sunod natin gagawin ay gagamitin natin yung formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So, ang formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term of the arithmetic progression, a sub 1 is the first term of the arithmetic progression, n is the term position kung pang ilan yung hinahanap natin, then d is the common difference of the arithmetic progression. So, dito ang a sub n, yun yung ating hinahanap. Kasi yun yung yung 10th term, yung a sub 10. Then ang sunod naman natin gagawin ay kunin yung a sub 1. Ang a sub 1 is 5/6. Yung 5/6 dito natin nakuha. Dito tayo titingin sa arithmetic progression. Yun yung a sub 1 ang kukunin natin. Kasi nga, ang gagamitin nating formula ay yung formula for arithmetic progression. Then, n is 10. Kasi yun yung term position na hinahanap natin, pang 10 na term. So, n is equal sa 10. Then, d is the common difference of the arithmetic progression. So, mapapansin nyo, lahat ay kinuha ko. Lahat ng variable na nandito ay dito ko kinukuha sa arithmetic progression. Hindi dito. Dito ko kinukuha. So, ang common difference dito sa arithmetic progression na to ay makukuha mo kapag pinag-minus mo yung dalawang consecutive na term. So, halimbawa, 3/4 minus 5/6 or 2/3 minus 3/4. Tulad lang yan since arithmetic progression naman siya. So, ang common difference niyan, kapag kinuha mo 3/4 minus 5/6, ang common difference is negative 1/12. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dito sa a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, gamitin na natin yung formula yun. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, ang a sub n is a sub 10. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin ay 10th term. So, a sub 10. Then, a sub 1, kunin lang natin dito yung 5/6 plus n minus 1. Yun yung 10. So, 10 minus 1. Then, common difference yung d. So, times negative 1/12. Then, ituloy lang natin. A sub 10 is equals to 5/6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times negative 1/12. Then, a sub 10 equals 5/6 plus 9 times negative 1/12 is negative 3/4. Then, a sub 10 is equals to 5/6 plus negative 3/4 is equals to 1/12. So, 1/12, hindi pa ito yung final answer. Kasi ito ay 10th term nung arithmetic progression. 10th term ng arithmetic progression, yung nakuha natin na a sub 10 equals 1/12. Pero ang hinahanap natin ay yung 10th term ng harmonic progression. So, yung 1/12 na nakuha natin ay 10th term nito. Pero ang kailangan nating mahanap ay yung 10th term nitong harmonic progression. So, para makuha yun, since alam naman natin na ang harmonic progression ay reciprocal ng arithmetic progression, kunin lang din natin yung reciprocal ng 1/12. So, kung ito ay 10th term ng arithmetic progression, ibig sabihin, ang 10th term ng harmonic progression ay yung reciprocal lang nito. So, ang 10th term is 12. Kasi ang reciprocal ng 1/12 ay 12. So, a sub 10 is the 10th term of the given harmonic progression. So, 12 is the final answer.